Wrist training ball with LED lights. Great for instrument players, students, and more. Simple and fun to use.
How to use wrist training ball. So you need to rotate the ball for about 10 to 15 times. We see the arrow forward, and you're going to use the 2 fingers. So it's about 10 times to see. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I think I got 14 right there. When you're ready, just let it go, and now start moving. Now it has a nice LED light, we can see it right there. And the instructions pretty simple, show you some of the exercise you can do. So let's go again, let's go about 15 times. Say 14, right? So we hold it right there. And now, you let it go. And you will feel the resistance between the ball and the gyro because it moves the left to right. And it depends what type of shape you're looking for. Right, we can go like this. We can go straight this way. And as long as it keeps moving, it will keep you resistant into the arm or hands. So when you complete the exercise, we go back again. I say 10 or 15 times, and now we're going to try my other hand. We let it go. My other hand. And it keeps you resistant as long you keep moving. There are different types of exercise. They show you right on instructions. It's nice and simple to use. So definitely, you have some fun and exercise at the same time. All right. So this was instructions how to use the wrist training ball. Thank you. Bye.